So guys, we've got our cordless power drill here, and we're gonna put this in and get it set up to use. Okay, there we go. Now see how that goes down in there, isn't that cool? Hey guys, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Saturday to you on this smoky day in the Northwest. So we hope you're inside, or we hope you're safe wherever you are if you're in this smoke.
Yeah, it's really bad air quality out here, so we might be a little bit shorter than usual. So today on day 173 of the Spoken Garden Daily, we're talking about bulb augers.
Yeah, every Saturday, if you haven't been to our channel before, we highlight and show you how to use a specific garden tool. Might be a hand tool, it might be a power tool. But before we get to that, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and that way you won't miss every daily video we post.
So guys, bulb augers, they come in different sizes, different lengths, and so we have the one we use around our garden, and we're gonna show you how to use that today. So guys, this is a bulb auger. It looks like an auger, it actually is an auger, and it's just really miniaturized. And so how it works is you place this piece into a drill, and then when you drill, it actually, I'll show you, it goes like this, and it digs in like a drill bit would, and as it does, it goes down into the soil and it loosens the soil as it goes down further. And you can kind of move it around and do different things to really loosen up the soil. This one is 3 inches wide by 7 inches long. It's got a 7-inch depth that it'll go down to, just like here. And so you can keep going down further if you want to, but it's a little hard after you get this part of the auger down to the soil level. And we'll show you that in a minute. And this is by Power Planter, great company, really sturdy, strong augers. They make some other things too, but they're basically known for their augers. And we'll link it down below so you can follow that link and see what we're talking about. So guys, we've got our cordless power drill here, and we're gonna put this in and get it set up to use. So we're gonna loosen this up. If you've never used one of these before, it's interesting, but so basically fit it in there, make sure it's nice and sturdy, and then go ahead and start tightening that down. And we'll do that. And then what we'll do is, okay, there we go. We're good to go. So you'll see how that goes like that. See how that moves? Pretty cool, huh? We're gonna go really fast with it. And that's what we're gonna do in the ground to make our little holes.
Which is great because we have about 300 bulbs on their way to our house.
Oh my God, yeah.
We just placed most of our orders today, this morning, so.
So we're gonna really need the help.
We need it.
This thing, you wouldn't believe how much this helps actually get the bulbs planted. It's a lot better on your whole body to use this instead of using like a pickaxe or a shovel or anything else to dig. I mean, this just makes really fast work of the digging you gotta do, especially if you have 300 bulbs to plant. So guys, to give you an example of how to use this in your garden, we're gonna do this first. Clear away any of your mulch, because you don't want to mix this in with your bulbs. Unless you do, and then that's great, but we don't. So we're gonna go down to the soil level, and I think we got it right there. Okay. So guys, we're gonna do this, but word of the wise, don't sit or be on the ground like I am right here. Get really stationary, because last year I used this, and I wasn't very stationary. I wasn't in a really good position where I could take some torque and move around, and it kind of moved me. Kind of threw me a little bit. This thing can get really interesting if you're not ready for it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna plant my feet, put this down on the ground, and then slowly start. Now see how that goes down in there? Isn't that cool? Okay, so that just stopped on me. So without getting too crazy and burning up our drill, this is about as far as we could go. I'm gonna try a different setting on the drill and see what we can do. There we go, that's doing a little bit of it there. Can't press too hard though, because it'll start clicking on me, and I don't want it to start clicking on me. Let's do it on the side there and see what happens. So guys, this is a really good example of how to use a bulb auger. We'll have to come back and do some more digging possibly, but this is how you get it done.
So you guys, we hope that was helpful, and this is really timely for most of us because fall's coming, and that's the perfect time to get our fall planted bulbs in the ground, right? Tulips, daffodils, crocus. So a bulb auger, like you saw, is a really good tool for quickly planting a whole bunch of bulbs.
Yep, it works really well. So guys, leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
Yeah, that's a wrap for today, everybody. And we'll be back tomorrow with another new project. So come stop by and see what we're up to.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.